Hi, this is Antonio. I'm here to talk to you today about the Commodore OS Vision 3.0. And yes, I did install GNOME on mine. I'm making this video actually because people may be having difficulty getting Secureboot working on their Commodore OS Vision 3.0. The issue is that you need to have the 6.10 kernel, so make sure you're loading that one. It has to be the one that is signed, okay? Just make sure you have the 6.10 kernel. I don't have to tell you how to update your kernel. Just make sure you have that one, and everything should be great for you. The 6.12 is not going to be working because it is a Lycoris kernel. So that one will not be working with Secureboot. It has to be 6.10, at least until Commodore makes their next release. Okay? Just want you all to know I'm really enjoying using the Commodore OS Vision. Okay? So hopefully this knowledge will take care of your issues having Secureboot working.